Installing an M.2 backplane assembly and M.2 drive. To install the M.2 backplane on the tray, align the notch on the M.2 backplane with the guide pin on the tray, and then insert the backplane at an angle. Lower the connector side of the M.2 backplane onto the tray. Fasten one screw to secure the M.2 backplane. Fasten the captive screw on the M.2 backplane. If necessary, adjust the retainer on the M.2 backplane to accommodate the particular size of the M.2 drive to be installed. Hold the M.2 drive at an angle of approximately 30 degrees and then insert it into the M.2 slot. Lower the M.2 drive down onto the M.2 backplane. Slide the retainer toward the M.2 drive to secure the drive in place. To install the M.2 backplane assembly, connect the M.2 signal and power cables to the M.2 backplane. Pinch the pull tape and the blue touch point. Align the M.2 backplane assembly with the guide pins on the chassis, and then lower the assembly down onto the chassis and push the assembly forward until it clicks into place. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the M.2 backplane assembly. Install the top cover. If applicable, install the security bezel.